Hello. Welcome to another day of class. Today is Friday, August 21st, 2020, and we're going to have our review of language. So, as you remember, during all this week, we were working with the end punctuation. So, we were working in our books with the end punctuation, and we know that the correct end punctuation is always inside the quotation marks. In one direct quotation, we are going always to write inside the quotation marks. It can be period, it can be exclamation point, or it can be question mark. So let's go. We are going to copy some exercises in our notebook to practice. Okay, what you are going to do is that you're going to copy on your notebook each one of the sentences that I have here, and you're going to write the correct punctuation in each one of them. We have here 5 different sentences, and you're going to write the correct punctuation at the end of each quote. Use the correct punctuation at the end of each quote. Those are the instructions. You're going to copy everything what is here. And you're going to use period. You can use exclamation point, or you can use a question mark. Inside of the quotation marks, we are going to put the correct end punctuation. For example, in the quote number 1, Justin said, "I'm hungry, Mom." Do you think that there is possible to be a period? No, because it's with emotion, it's with feelings. Justin said, "I'm hungry, Mom." Yes. So we're going to use exclamation point. The number 2, the taxi driver asked, "May I take you somewhere?" So we're going to use question mark because it's a question. The taxi driver is asking to someone. Then we have Maria said, "Happy birthday, sister." What do you think we are going to use? Period or exclamation point or question mark? Exclamation point. Yes, so you're going to write it down there. Then, my grandfather asked, "What time is it?" What time is it? It's a question. So you're going to use question mark. Then, Daniel's claim. "What a beautiful day." Or, "What a beautiful day." What a beautiful day. So what are you going to use? Period, exclamation point, or question mark? Copy all those exercises and complete them in your notebook, please. That was everything for today's language review. I hope you understand what you're going to do. See you until next class. Please keep safe at home. I'm sending you blessings from the Lord. Hugs and kisses. Bye.